Want to master your study routine and ace your exams? Dive into the Hard Start, Easy Finish technique, a game changer for your study sessions. Start with the toughest problems to drive focus, leveraging your brain's fresh energy for higher order thinking. As your concentration bus dips, gradually shift to simpler tasks. This classic technique is rooted in cognitive psychology, optimizing retention and focus, and helping you beat procrastination. Remember to mix in breaks to keep your mind sharp. Try it out and let us know how it transforms your study game. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more revolutionary study tips. Study smart, student life, science hacks.